Hi everybody, my name is Paul Downs, owner of Paul Downs Cabinet Makers, and today I want to talk to you about veneers. What are veneers? Where do they come from? And how do we use them when making fine furniture? Veneers are one of three formats of wood that we use. We use solid wood or lumber, which is what most people think solid wood is, and that's big chunks cut from a tree. And then we also use engineered panels, which are trees that have been taken apart completely and reassembled into more convenient formats for our craftsmen. And then the third format is veneer. And veneer is commonly misunderstood, but what it actually is solid wood that's been sliced very thin. You take a tree and you deli slice it. And what you end up with are a bunch of very thin sheets of wood. This is Bolivian rosewood from South America, which has fantastic red and black and gold colors in it. And using a wood like this allows us to compose a tabletop so it's like a piece of art. The process of veneering involves taking the individual leaves of veneer and arranging them to form an artistic arrangement for the tabletop. And then we have to glue the pieces together edge to edge and attach them to make a big sheet. The veneer itself is rather delicate until we glue it to something stronger. That would be what's called the substrate. It's like a piece of paper. If you take a piece of paper in your hand, you can poke your finger through it or you can crumple it up. But if you stuck it to a piece of steel, then you could hit it with a hammer or you could put something on it and you wouldn't harm the paper. Veneer is the same way. In the finish table, the veneered center is surrounded by a solid wood edge band. We finished it with a catalyzed polyurethane coating.